To add unlock effect to Samsung Galaxy S26, first of all, we'll need to open our Galaxy Store. Inside, we want to find an app called Good Look. It's a free app, you can download it and then open it. After it's done, we want to find the plugin called Wonderland. So just scroll down and look for this specific plugin. There will be a download button next to it, and when it's downloaded, you can click it open. After that, you can go and create your different lock screen effect right here and click on the plus button. Now select image settings, and here, for example, let's go for our gallery and select one of our photos as a wallpaper. And then we can click on close. Now go for effect type and then choose one of the effects that you like right here. For example, I'm gonna go for a flip like this. Then we can also adjust the effect settings if you like and save it. After it's saved, set it as wallpaper for lock and home screen. And when it's done, we can lock our device. When we unlock it, we'll get this cool effect. And when we wake it up and then when we enter a home screen, it should also show this effect, but somehow it got bugged. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.